Hello student, today we are going to solve a problem on torsion of circular shaft under strength of materials. Problem number 6. Let us read what is given here. Show that means prove that for same weight and same material, hollow shaft will transmit more power. Same material means same specific weight per unit volume. Same material means same shear stress induced in shaft material. Here, hollow shaft will transmit more power, means hollow shaft will transmit more torque. Okay. Now, from given condition, WH equal to WS. WH weight of hollow shaft, WS weight of solid shaft. So, weight of hollow shaft equal to pi by 4 capital D square minus small d square into L into delta. Here, this is the volume of hollow shaft. WS weight of solid shaft equal to pi by 4 into capital DS square into L into delta. This is the volume of solid shaft. Here, capital D equal to outer dia of hollow shaft, small d equal to inner dia of hollow shaft, capital DS diameter of solid shaft, L equal to length of hollow shaft and length of solid shaft. It is same, so we cut this, and delta is specific weight. Specific weight means weight per unit volume. Specific weight of hollow shaft and specific weight of solid shaft, it is same, so we cut this. Now, from this relation, we get d square, capital D square minus small d square equal to capital DS square. Okay, it is a important relation. Now, T hollow by T solid. T hollow means torque transmitted by hollow shaft, by T solid means torque transmitted by solid shaft. We know torque transmitted by hollow shaft formula is pi by 16 into capital D to the power 4 minus small d to the power 4 by capital D into Fs, and we know torque transmitted by solid shaft formula is pi by 16 into capital DS Q into Fs. Here capital D outer dia of hollow shaft, small d inner dia of hollow shaft, capital DS diameter of solid shaft, Fs shear stress induced in shaft material. We cut this and also we cut this. So T hollow by T solid equal to capital D square plus small d square into capital D square minus small d square by D capital D into capital DS Q. Now we know that capital D square minus small d square equal to capital D square. This is already proved, so we put the value of capital D square minus small d square here ds square. So this equal to capital D square plus small d square into capital DS square by capital D into capital DS Q equal to, after cut this, the relation capital D square plus small d square by capital D into ds. Now we separate this portion and this portion. After separate, equal to capital D square by capital D into capital DS plus small d square by capital D into capital DS. Now this equal to capital D by capital DS, diameter, capital D outer diameter of hollow shaft, capital DS diameter of the solid shaft, plus D square by capital D into DS. This is always greater than 1, as D square by DS greater than 1, outer diameter of hollow shaft and diameter of the solid shaft greater than 1. Therefore, capital D by capital DS diameter of outer diameter of hollow shaft by diameter of solid shaft plus something, that means some amount, is always greater than 1. This is always greater than 1. So hollow shaft will transmit more power or hollow shaft will transmit more torque. It is clear, my student?